In the next kind of reaction, we are going to look at a replacement reaction, word problem. Iron replaces copper in a solution of copper 2 sulfate, yielding iron 2 sulfate and copper. In this formula, iron represents an elemental iron atom, so we're going to say that it's neutral. It replaces copper in a solution of copper 2 sulfate. So this is saying that we have copper plus 2 and sulfate, SO4 minus 2, yielding iron 2 sulfate and copper. And when copper is by itself, it is also neutral. So in this reaction, the iron is displacing the copper, and the copper is kind of getting kicked out here. So we kind of have a scheme of something like A plus B X yields A X plus B, something like that. That's kind of the formula. The A displaces the B. Yes, that is correct. In this formula, or in the entire equation, the iron is neutral, copper 2 and sulfate balance. There's really nothing to do here. Iron 2 and sulfate, those balance, they're neutral, and copper is neutral. So this is a relatively simple equation. I think there's not a whole lot to do here. Iron, there's one on the left and one on the right. Copper, one on the left, one on the right. Sulfate, one on the left, one on the right. And that is it. That's a balanced equation. I would call that the easy one. The main thing is being able to locate these elements on the periodic chart and knowing that sulfate is a polyatomic ion. It is a replacement reaction class.